Hello everyone! Ang food ko for today is puto with cheese and with no milk to and no egg. Tikman natin guys. Ayan. Uy. Puting-puti. Ang ating puto. Yummy guys. Yummy guys. Kain tayo guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in TikTok. If you want to be something, please click the yellow basket in this video and go to my TikTok shop. Bye!